In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cursor Pro for free legally. Cursor Pro is a powerful tool designed to enhance your productivity, especially when dealing with coding or complex projects. Now, some of you might be wondering how you can access these premium features without having to pay. Well, let's dive into it. First, you're going to want to visit the Cursor website. On this site, you'll find all the information you need about Cursor Pro, along with user guides and additional resources. It's a great starting point to familiarize yourself with the product before diving into the trial offers. Once you're on the website, look for the option to start the 14-day free trial. Now, here's an important detail. Starting this trial will require you to input your payment details. But don't worry, this is a common practice, and it doesn't mean you'll be charged immediately. The great news is they won't charge your card until the trial period comes to an end, giving you ample time to explore and evaluate whether Cursor Pro meets your needs. However, to ensure you're not unexpectedly charged, be sure to mark your calendar and cancel the subscription before the fiend days are up. This is crucial if you decide not to continue with a paid plan. To do this, simply navigate to your account settings and follow the instructions to cancel. It's a simple process and will only take a few minutes of your time. Besides the 14-day trial for Cursor Pro, there's also an option for a 7-day trial of Cursor AI Pro. This is a fantastic alternative if you're interested in exploring other premium services offered by Cursor. Just remember, similar to the 14-day trial, you'll need to provide payment details and manage your subscription prior to the trial's expiration to avoid any charges. Lastly, if you're a student, there's an even better opportunity for you. Cursor offers a special deal where eligible students can receive 1 full year of Cursor Pro for free. To take advantage of this offer, students must verify their student status through the website, a straightforward process that typically involves confirming your enrollment through an official academic email or university portal. And there you have it. Whether you're looking for a brief trial to test the waters or a full year of access as a student, these options allow you to experience the robust features of Cursor Pro without financial commitment. Make sure to explore all they have to offer and decide which plan works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with Cursor Pro.